Hello, I'm Janusz Sobek from Sharpo Corporation. I'm a sales manager responsible for Baltic states. We are here on the biggest PV installation made with Sharp modules in Baltic states, in Estonia, Tallinn. Total capacity is 1.1 megawatt, more than 4,000 modules has already been used. Electricity produced here during the year can power more than 100 households in Estonia. We are really proud of this installation with our Estonian partners.
Energiapartner built this PV plant as a turnkey solution for Utilitas Energy Group. The plant is located on an old limestone mine area and it covers almost 2 hectares. There are more than 1,000 holes drilled into limestone to fix the PV mounting structure piles with concrete. This will ensure that the PV plant will withstand extreme weather events. There are 24 Huawei Sun 2000 series inverters with maximum output of 950 kilowatts and more than 4,100 Sharp PV modules with maximum peak power of 1,137 kilowatts. The tilt of the modules is 30 degrees and expected yearly production is almost 1 gigawatt hours.